Hi friends, welcome to our new video. This is the new product from the Apple. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. We can see the specification. See iPhone, Apple logo. Now the box is very small. Now it's coming with only the iPhone, charger, lightning cable only, and the documentation. Headphone and adapter not coming with this box. You have to buy separately. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 GB. First time Apple introduced the 5G network. This is from Apple. A14 Bionic is the first 5 nano chip with advanced components literally atoms wide. This screen Super Retina XDR OLED 6.7 inches. The Apple now were produced the biggest one. The camera is 12 megapixel both. Triple camera is that backside. Front camera also 12 megapixel. Wide telephoto, ultra wide there. More features are available in this camera. You can check it everywhere. Dual LED dual tone flash, HDR photo and panorama is available, and 4K recording 24, 30, 60 fps, and 1080p also available, 30, 60, 120 to 40 fps, 10-bit HDR and Dolby Vision HDR up to 60 fps, stereo sound recording also. This is iOS 14.1 OS, Apple A14 Bionic 5 nanometer. This is up to 50% faster CPU and GPU than any other smartphone chip. First 5nm chip in the industry, up to 80% faster neutral engine also there, 16 core neutral engine, up to 70% faster machine learning accelerator. The first time 5G network also introduced by Apple. The important thing is LiDAR scanner is included in this camera, AR at speed of light. LiDAR scanner measures how long it takes light to reflect back from the objects. So it can create a depth map of any space you are in because it's ultra fast and accurate. AR apps can now transform a room into a realistic rainforest or show you exactly how a new sneaker will fit. NASA is developing LiDAR technology for Mars mission, a depth map in nanoseconds. The quad camera all are 12 megapixel and flashlight and LiDAR system is there. The new element wide lens for edge to edge sharpness is there. Right side power button is little bit bigger than before, and side is surgical grade stainless steel. And charger is lightning to C port, you have to charge, and stereo speakers front and side, and the left side volume increase and decrease button and mute button, and ejection pin also SIM. The less bezel you will get more screen, you feel it. This is 6.7 inches scratch resistant ceramic glasses olophobic coating. Backside glass coating also there, and LiDAR system you will get wide color gamut and true tone you will get. If you are using the adapter 20 watt 50% in 30 minutes you will get the charge. This is dual LED dual tone flash, HDR photo and panorama is available. Now the first time Apple is making 6.7 inch phone. This is making IP68 dust water resistant making, and everything goes fine. This is available 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB storage, and there is no card slot also. 6 GB RAM, Apple A14 Bionic chipset, and the Leon battery 3687 mAh. The video and photo features are excellent. You can edit the iMovies from this free of charge. I can show you in the coming videos of the photo and the video how it is. Almost everything is fine. Night modes comes to both the wide and ultra wide cameras. It's better than ever at capturing incredible low light shots. LiDAR makes night shot mode portraits possible, and the wide camera lends in 27% more light for greater details and sharpener, focus day or night. 12 Pro Max cameras is maximum performance you will get, and this give you 80% better low light photos, 5x optical zoom range. The new 65mm telephoto camera lets you zoom in tighter on portraits, and a new OIS stabilizes the sensors instead of the lens, so your shots are steady even when you are not. So let's start. Take your video and capture with iPhone Pro Max. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.